I was tired of starting over financially, so I built systems instead. Simple systems for lasting change.
This cannot be right. Finally, I can breathe again. Let's just pay these quickly. Oh no, not again!
This month is going to be different! I can't believe I failed again. Okay, let's start over. The problem isn't motivation or intelligence. It is the absence of reliable systems. She started small, taking it one step at a time, learning to design tools that actually help people. Planners, workbooks, and journals took shape. No overnight success, just real progress. It is not about making a fortune overnight. It is about showing up every single day. These small wins are adding up to something bigger.